Hi guys, this is Pooja Gupta. Welcome to Media Mentor. So a lot of you guys are asking me about fourth merit list, additional merit list. जो कॉलेज की merit list नहीं आई है, even the third merit list, वो कब तक आ जाएगी? So in this video I'll tell you about the merit list. क्या expected है, क्या हो सकता है CBSE का and HSC के बच्चों का क्या chances है? So guys, make sure that you watch the video till the end. So first thing which I have said in my previous video as well, there is nothing called as fourth list, but yes, there's something called additional list. Few colleges will name it as fourth list, but additional list is the actual name which is said कि after third merit list जो भी list आती है उसको additional बोला जाता है, depending on if the college is having the seat. So recently, which is yesterday, KC College released the additional list after their third merit list, जिसमें gap year students को consider किया गया था in the BMS section. Now when you talk about BMM, please comment box में लिख के बताना अगर आप gap year student हो और KC में आपका consideration हुआ है. So please do let me know so that others also understand yes they are considering gap year student in the additional merit list. Now talking about fourth merit list, किन colleges की आएगी? Guys जैसे कि आप मेरे channel पे story देख रहे हो, अभी Instagram story या फिर YouTube story, उस पे continuously I'm putting the update which students themselves are sending me after going to the college. That colleges are bluntly, clearly saying this one thing that admission full हो गए हैं, कोई merit list नहीं आएगी, ना ही वो कोई admission लेंगे. So जो fourth merit list है guys, वो सिर्फ आप expect कर सकते हो जब एक बार CBSE का result आ जाएगा. अगर colleges ने जो भी है 15%, 20%, 25% CBSE students के लिए रखा होगा तो ही वो merit list आएगी. Now HSC students उसमें consider होंगे कि नहीं, ये बहुत बड़ा question mark है. So to get answer for all this question, we have decided to write a letter to the VC and the governor, because right now Mumbai University, as usual the great, not answering anything, neither asking questions regarding कि कितना CBSE बच्चों का सीट है, कितना स्टेट बोर्ड का सीट है, जो महाराष्ट्र के डोमिसाइल है उनका कोई रिजर्वेशन है कि नहीं. So Mumbai University is not questioning. Colleges have started with their FY lectures, like UPG कॉलेज का ओरिएंटेशन हो चुका है, डॉन बॉस्को कॉलेज BMS डिपार्टमेंट का ओरिएंटेशन चालू हो गया, which means they are starting their lectures from 25th of July, which is this month itself, जबकि CBSE का रिजल्ट जो है मंथ एंड आएगा. 25th means उसके बाद CBSE के रिजल्ट आने के चांसेस है, which we all don't know, and great CBSE as you know equally to Mumbai University not saying anything confirmed that when the results will be out. So now to get the answer for the students in terms of CBSE की जो HSC के students का जिनका due to some reason admission miss out हो गया है, will send in a letter to the VC and the governor to get a logical answer that boss what is the exact protocol or you know a method wherein a student can apply. So what students can expect regarding their reservation or a confirmed admission in a particular college. So we'll understand that how much of the seat is reserved for HSC, other boards and CBSE student. Now talking about walk-in admission guys, at present walk-in admission colleges are refusing. So if you want to try and if you are in Mumbai and possibly can go and visit the college, I won't stop you. Please go try visit the college. If they entertain, why not? Now for example, colleges like Thakur is sending SMS to the students regarding there's a seat vacant, you can pay your fees and reserve the seat, which means कि ठाकुर कॉलेज में अगर आपने अप्लाई किया होगा तो आपको SMS आया होगा. Yes, that's a legit you know SMS from the college. So if you want to secure your admission in Thakur, you can do that. SIS, Sion and Nerul have put up on their website regarding the walk-in admission. So you can go visit the college and see if they are giving you walk-in admission in a specific course. Talking about RD National ka merit list. So RD National has said if there is a seat, they will come up with the merit list. But when students visited the college, they said there is no merit list coming up. So we don't know whom to believe, like the management or what they are putting up on the website. In the end, let's talk about donation seat. Yes, colleges are giving donation seat. Now Wilson College का एक बच्चे ने comment भी किया है that when he visited the college, they asked for 3.5 to 5 lakhs from the student for a donation, like you know, for a confirmation seat, donation seat जिसे हम बोलते हैं. Similarly, Mitibai के principal ने one of the article in HT, she said that there will be no second merit list for MINSET. So हो सकता है कि बाकी की जो seats हैं सारी donation में जाएगी या whatever, but we don't know the clear picture so far. So that is really a sad scenario that whatever seats are left now, so if gap year student even after scoring 90 plus and also the students who are not able to fill their form or anything, when they are approaching the colleges for donation seat, they are asking lakhs of rupees. So guys, I just want to request, if any parents is watching this video, or the student, if you can show it to your parents. If your parent is a lawyer or any person who can influence and can come with me to meet the VC or the governor, we are sending the letter. If we get a reply, I would appreciate if you guys want to join in and to get an appropriate and a logical reply from the authority for the students, because students are suffering for no reason. It's been 2 days that yesterday also I have put up the video regarding that. Please share the video as much as you can, that what is going on in the colleges in Mumbai. It has become a money making racket kind of a thing. It's like completely a business. Education is not like that. There is no uniformity. There is nothing that can hold colleges responsible for, be it a donation seat, be it starting date of the college, academic year इधर उधर हो रखा है सब colleges का. ठीक है, आप autonomous college हो, you can change your syllabus, you can have your own curriculum, but at least the reserve seat should be there for the student to get a fair chance, be it a CBSE student, be it an HSE student. It never happened before that university has shut down within 10 days or 15 days, because pan India students are applying to Mumbai University. They look up to Mumbai University as the most respected and the trusted university. But if this will happen to students, how can they trust an university? So I would urge the parents and students as well, if you want to share your experience or anything, please write down in the comment box below, share the video, and if possible, if my friend who's a lawyer who thinks that case ka petition file ho sakta hai after meeting VC, we will surely try to do that. I hope guys the video was informative. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative updates on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.